Next to adobo or laing, sinigang has to be my favorite. I love Filipino food. I go to like my friends' birthday parties, they go all out on the food. You see the whole pig there, the roasted pig, the lechon. You know, I always go for the pancit, lumpia Shanghai, laing, this and adobo. Sisig. So thank you so much for watching. Salamat po. Let's dive into the recipe. Alright, let's get started. On high heat, add oil to a pot or pan. Sauté your onions and tomatoes. Once fragrant, add in your choice of pork. I'm using spare ribs today. You can use pork belly. Give this a stir until you get a little color. Next, add in your water, patis, which is fish sauce, and tamarind mix. Harder to find is the tamarind that comes in a block. So if you can get a hold of this, all you gotta do is dilute it to get its pulp juice. Let your pork bones cook for 20 to 30 minutes till it becomes really tender. Next, add in your Gabi or Taro. This is gonna help thicken the broth. Let this cook for a few minutes, then add in your greens. I have long green beans, okra, water spinach, bok choy, chili pepper and serranos, eggplant and radish. Cover for 2 to 3 minutes so we don't overcook the greens. Wow, look at that. Serve this with jasmine rice. I like to make patis with a side of chili pepper or in a bowl by itself. Today I'm eating sinigang. It's a Filipino dish. Tamarind soup. I have the eggplant there, water spinach and the pork. It's so sour, tangy, umami from the patis. Bowl of